What's the meaning of abroad? Abroad. 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 The word abroad means in or to a foreign country. It is used to describe travel or residence outside of one's home country. For example, you might say that you are going abroad on vacation, or that you live abroad if you are a citizen of one country but reside in another. The word abroad can also be used more generally to refer to anything that is outside of one's own country, such as the markets abroad, or the news from abroad. Here are some examples of how the word abroad can be used in a sentence. I've always wanted to travel abroad. My parents live abroad. The company is expanding its operations abroad. The news from abroad is very concerning. The markets abroad are volatile.